Hi, I'm Mark Garner, your local Telford estate agent, and today you join me outside this 3-bed mid-terrace property. It's on Gregory Close in Doseley. We're not that far away from Telford Town Centre. It's a lovely, peaceful little cul-de-sac location, very family friendly, and from what the vendor tells me as well, very community friendly as well within the street. They sometimes have parties in the summer, get the tables out in the middle here and just enjoy themselves. Now, this property was built in 2017. It's got a good sized lounge, kitchen, diner to the rear. The kitchen was upgraded. We've got integrated appliances, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, washing machine, and we've got the oven hob and extractor there as well, and then French doors leading out onto the rear garden. We've got downstairs WC, and on the upstairs 2 good sized double bedrooms and an ensuite 2-bedroom one. So we've got 2 allocated parking spaces out the front as well. So let's get you inside this property, let you have a look around. Follow me. So there you have it, guys. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a tour around this 3-bed terrace property in Doseley, Telford. If you are interested in it, then you can reach out to me on 077 89 647 226 or any of the social media channels that you found this video on. Now, this is going to make a cracking home for a first-time buyer, young family. As I stated, very community friendly and orientated here in this little cul-de-sac location. So please do reach out to me and book your viewing ASAP. So that's it today, guys. I'll see you on the next video. See you soon.